What up? Welcome back to the table where everybody eat. If it's your first time to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you stay in the loop of what we got going on. Now we talking about Rezolve AI once again, because this thing here look like it's about to make a move better than what we already expected as we've been covering this stock. I mean, in the $5 range, et cetera, whatever, down to the lows of $1, $1.28, $1.35, stuff like that. But currently, Rezolve AI, ticker symbol RZLV, closed at $2.41 this past Friday. I don't know what day that was, but that was, I believe, May 16th. But anyway, as you can see here, my daily fair value gap zone right about here has actually filled with a nice little trading volume or whatnot up in there. And as we have held above the top of that fair value gap zone, my particular one, I mean, we could go back in the chart to look at it, but that's neither here nor there at the moment. Just know that with us sitting above or sitting on top of that fair value gap zone, I'm liking it, especially with the moving average, treating this $1.28 area or this low area as a support and continuing to move up. We are on the 4 hour chart. Let's go to the daily chart real quick. Here we is on the daily chart now. And reason I came here is because this moving average is actually the 50 daily moving average or the 50 SMA. So I like to see it on the daily, and it treated this $1.58 area as a nice support. It's curling up. Again, this is that zone that it was pretty liquid in prior back here and whatnot. We were really liquid in, but now we had some buyers and sellers actually show us that we can now possibly hold above this $2 area. So in my eyes, if we could get over this $2.57 area, particularly $2.84, and I think $2.92, we could test that psychological level of $3. Now, above $3, it will be a challenge, but if we can mount over $3, that's looking real good for ticker symbol RZLV. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and go down to the 30-minute time frame real quick, and we're gonna start over the Weeble. I ain't gonna bring you guys too much news right now because I just want to keep everybody updated real quick because we got a lot of stocks to cover from QUBT to ACHR, Archer Aviation. I think top been doing all right, you know what I'm saying? But we got a few, especially ticker symbol APLD. Applied Digital. But anyway, back to Rezolve AI, ticker symbol RZLV. Like I say, we're gonna go ahead and go down to the 30-minute chart and see what we're looking at in regards to price action and things of that nature. All right, so on the 30-minute chart, matter of fact, let me refresh this real quick. All right, so on the 30-minute chart, this is that area once again. Now, this is a nice retest and whatnot. So if we could hold this $2.33 area, which I remember this area, I could go back to the 4 hour chart, which we're not going to, but 233 in particular, maybe 225 to 227 is the area that I would like to hold. If we fall lower than that, I don't want to see us anywhere below $2.18, preferably maybe 215. What is this gap right here? This is 206, and this here is 214, 215. So that's why I really would want to see us below 215. We hold above that and continue to see this 50 SMA on the 30-minute chart or on all the charts so far. Continue to have an upward trajectory showing us a bullish pattern or just bullish continuation. I'm liking that, especially with the hold above it, the retest there, retest here, maybe another retest again at that 233. Because like I said, if we get over $2 and let's just say 52 cents, I believe, 51 cent, then that's where that 257.58 come into play. And ideally, we want to get over $2.85 on ticker symbol RZLV. Now let's go ahead and slide over to Weeble to close out this video. Now here we is on Weeble, and the moving averages on the 4 hour chart is looking pretty good. As the 9, which is the blue line, and then the 20, which is the yellow line, is holding above the 72 moving average on the 4 hour chart. Now the blue, the 9 MA, I would like to see it actually go up a little more to keep its momentum going without falling beneath or below the 20. As the 20 is looking real strong. Now, I'm gonna possibly go ahead and remove these drawings because we mainly hit with the moving averages. But as you see, that's at 258 level. 298 is on here for some reason. Yeah, we could go back, but at the end of the day, we're here for the moving averages. Now, let's go ahead and look at the 15-minute. We've been holding the 200 moving average on the 15-minute pretty well for a few trading days. As you can see here, every time we get to it, we fell below it here. However, few trading days, we have been testing and holding above the 200 moving average, with the 72 actually looking good as well. Now, the 9 as it's curling upward, again, this here is in the after hours. This here is in the after hours. So we have to see how price action continues this coming Monday with market open. But right now, ticker symbol RZLV, I'm liking what I see. Those are the levels again. Hold 227, get above 258. We looking real good on ticker symbol RZLV. But thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one. We out.